Okay, so I don't have OCD, but the iPhone 12 Pro has some serious problems, and it's kind of annoying me. What's poppin', J-Fam? So today I got the new iPhone 12 and I went to the Apple store and I picked it up, and I honestly love it. It's super fast. It's compared to my iPhone X, and this is the phone I've had for a couple years, and I've honestly, like, I set it all up and I really enjoyed it. It's fast, the 5G, everything's cool, the cameras are nice. I've already filmed some videos with it, but I was taking a shower and that's how, like, all great stories start. But I was taking a shower, my phone was resting on this, like, sink thing that we have, and I was looking at my phone real quick, and I noticed something really, really strange. Okay, hopefully you can see this. Hopefully that is in focus. And I'll tell you what I personally see, and that's 3 speaker ports on one side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the other. Whew. Please, stand with me for a second. Okay, that was annoying. And then I also started, like, looking around the sides of the iPhone. And one thing about the iPhone 12 Pro is the fact that it has, like, a 5G antenna signal, and way more than the original iPhone X, which has them around. But one thing about this is it has this also, like, this black bar. Like, it has this ginormous one right on the side. It's also a fingerprint magnet, which kind of annoys me as well. But right here, as you can see, it has the 5 speakers, 3 speakers, and then a line. Why, Apple? I am an Apple fan. Like, I won't say fanboy, but I'm a fan. Like, I have my MacBook Pro that I use, like, every day. I have my other iPhone that I used to use. I have my Apple Watch, I have AirPods, I have an iMac that I edit videos on, and, like, to see Apple do this design decision doesn't really make sense. I understand the 5G and the other bands need, like, room, but the iPhone X did it perfectly. But as you can see, on this corner, there's one band. On this corner, there's one band. On the complete other side, in the exact same spots, one other band and one other band. There's not these weird miscellaneous bands all over. So I don't necessarily know why Apple did that. I'd be fine if there's, like, a couple more on the sides, but for the speakers to be weird, that hurts me personally. And I don't know how this impacts sound quality, because you're not getting equal sound from both sides, even though they're already so close together. But that's just a weird thing, and I'd assume that so I believe they did this for a reason, of course, but as you can see, there's an antenna right here, and then those 3 little holes, so I'd assume they couldn't put the same speaker size or as many holes right here, and instead they put a band there, and I'm sure there's, like, internals under here, and that just took up too much room. And gladly for me, like, I don't completely have OCD. Some things annoy me, and I have to, like, fix it or something, but I'm not gonna drill my iPhone with holes to fix it. So gladly, I'm okay with that. Then I was also looking around the rest of the iPhone, although yes, it does look fairly beautiful. The camera array is also slightly uneven. At least I should probably honestly just get something to measure this. But the spacing between these 2 cameras is a little bit different than the spacing between the third one. And that kind of annoys me. And as you can see, this thing just has so many fingerprints. So if you're like me and you get annoyed, or maybe you have OCD and this just drives you crazy, you really have to buy a case ASAP. I already ordered one. I'm ordering it from, like, Amazon, because I didn't want to buy, like, a $50 plastic case from Apple. But yes, this is kind of annoying. I was fine with the bands. Everyone keeps talking about the bands, and I'm like, okay, that's fine. It's you know, getting us better signal. But having the missing, like, 2 speaker grills is annoying. And the previous model, the iPhone X, or I don't know if this is the same with the 11. My mom and sister have the 11, but they're not home right now, so I can't check. And this is honestly driving me insane. But my X has, like, 6 holes on each side. So they did it right. It's completely even and symmetric. So I guess Apple just decided to go asymmetric, which is kind of weird. Like on the MacBook Pro, both sides have speakers. It's not like one has a speaker, one has half of one. That would just be weird. So I really don't know why they would have to do that. I'm sure they probably could have put the antenna somewhere else, or I don't know. Maybe I'm being too hard at them, but I'm also annoyed, you know, they didn't give us a USB-C brick, they didn't give us headphones, like something's kind of weird. But I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of hateful video. You know I still love Apple. You know I'm still gonna use this thing and I still really enjoy it. This is just something I won't look at. I'll never look at the bottom of the phone. I'll just plug the charger in and not look, or I'll just use my MagSafe charger that I also have. So, yeah. I'm sorry, this is just a rant. This happens when it's 10 o'clock at night and I'm just bored and I notice this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Peace. Oh yeah, check out my Instagram, and I'll take some cool photos with the new phone. All right, bye.